The hidden impact of city growth. Urbanization, the rapid movement of people from rural areas into cities, has transformed the way we live. Today, more than 55% of the world's population calls cities home, and that number is only growing. Cities are centers of opportunity, but they also consume massive amounts of resources and energy, making them key contributors to climate change. Cities use approximately 78% of the world's energy, with most of it coming from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. These energy sources release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and contributing to global warming. Urbanization drives rapid industrial growth and construction. While cities expand, the production of materials like cement and steel adds to the already enormous carbon footprint. The cement industry alone accounts for 8% of global CO2 emissions. As cities grow, natural carbon sinks like forests are destroyed. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, helping to fight climate change. But when forests are cleared to make way for buildings, that vital carbon-absorbing power is lost. Urbanization also leads to massive amounts of waste. Without proper waste management, this waste ends up in landfills, emitting methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. Cities rely heavily on transportation, with personal cars being a primary mode of travel. Traffic congestion, which is common in urban centers, adds to the emissions problem, releasing even more CO2 into the air. Urban areas also experience something called the urban heat island effect. Dense buildings and roads absorb and trap heat, causing city temperatures to rise by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius compared to nearby rural areas. This leads to higher energy use for cooling and worsens air quality. Burning fossil fuels not only contributes to climate change but also releases pollutants that worsen air quality. In megacities, this can lead to health issues such as asthma and other respiratory illnesses. Urban areas are also increasingly vulnerable to water shortages. As populations grow and climate change causes more frequent droughts, cities must find ways to manage their limited water resources. But there is hope. Cities can adopt green infrastructure, parks, trees, and green roofs that can absorb CO2, reduce temperatures, and improve air quality. Sustainable urban planning can make a big difference. By designing energy-efficient buildings, investing in public transportation, and creating walkable, green cities, we can reduce the environmental impact of urbanization. The challenges of urbanization are significant, but with the right planning and commitment to sustainability, cities can become leaders in the fight against climate change. Together, we can build cities that are not only thriving but also resilient and sustainable, places where both people and the planet can flourish.